Welcome to Brain Vision.
This question we have to find the shaft diameter that can support the load at gear, and we have to use the maximum distortion energy theory of failure with the allowable stress of 200 megapascal. And if we draw the bending moment and the torque diagram for this load from the figure in the textbook, we can find the value of the maximum moment and torque, which are 1274.75 Newton meter, and we have torque T at 375 Newton meter. And from the previous questions, we have already found the relationship of the radius and moment and the torque and the allowable stress from the maximum distortion energy theory of a round shaft, which is as follows. And if we use the value of the moment to 1274.75 Newton meter and the torque of 375 and the allowable stress of 200 megapascal, we can find the value of C, which is 20.3 millimeter, and then we can find D, which is 2C, 40.6 millimeter. So then we can use D as 41 millimeter in this question.